Hello, we're in Mount Vernon, New York. This is A1 Automotive Auto Body Shop. It's been in business for about 20 years now. It's a very reputable place. They do a lot of body work on all kinds of cars, makes, models, foreign, domestic, doesn't matter. And this is where we're gonna do our project. This is our project. This is Kia Amanti. It was made between 2007 and 2009. Basically, this was the last life of this car, the way you see it. And this is how you're gonna see it the last time. Let's look around, because all this is going to change. This is not gonna be a Kia anymore. This is gonna be something else. Overall, I'm gonna explain to you what we're gonna do with this. Basically, this is the car from 2008. It's gonna be like that, but it's gonna be like that on the inside. On the outside, it's gonna be 1960. All these panels, hood, fenders, bumpers, lights, basically the whole front clip of this car is gonna be gone. This is gonna have an all new look, new headlights, new fenders, new hood, new bumper. Imagine this car is good. This car is going to look like it's from 1960s. This whole body of the car, the main part, is staying about the same. Only minor changes. The back of the car is gonna change as well. The trunk, quarter panels is going to be changed a little bit. Tail lights, bumper, everything is gonna be gone. This kit is gonna help us to convert Kia Amanti into Gaz-21 Volga Project, a retro look of a Gaz-21. This kit we received from our friends from far Russia. And right now we're gonna unpackage this to show you what exactly we're gonna use and what we need to use in our project. We finished unpacking. Now I'm going to show you how it looks like inside. This is the hood. This is basically a hood, the one that we're going to put on our Kia. We're taking the old hood completely out, and this hood is designed that way that you can reuse all the brackets, all the hardware from the Kia. We're gonna reuse brackets for the hood lock from our Kia. We're gonna reuse hinges from Kia, which makes this whole hood just a simple bolt-on, and you wouldn't have to worry about keeping this locked or anything like that. This hood is made out of fiberglass, but not just the regular fiberglass. This is very light but very strong fiberglass, used out of the best material you can get on the market. Our next package is fenders and quarter panels. Let me take this out. This is one of the fenders. You can even see how thin it is. I hope it's not gonna get you confused and think that this is bad quality and it's gonna crack just like that. No. The way it's made, they bake it in the oven to make it harder. So, you don't have to worry about the quality here. This goes basically bolts on the front of the car where the fenders are right now. And this is gonna be your panel without really any major modifications. This is the hood. This hood is gonna replace factory Kia hood. As you can see, you bolt on factory hinges to this side, so you don't have to worry about that either. You can mount factory lock from the trunk on our Kia to this one right here. The same thing, quality. These are our quarter panels and the back panel. Basically, that's where the tail light's supposed to go. And to finish up the trunk, this is what we're gonna put in the back of the car to give that look. Panel for the trunk, and this is the panel that goes underneath, diffuser, so to speak. What was the idea about this whole project? Idea was that to make something that's different from what everybody else has. Something different from just taking an old classic car and completely restoring it. The idea is to make it look like it's a classic car. It will get everybody's attention. And at the same time, the time that you have to spend on making this look like a classic car is way less than if you had to restore an actual classic car. The amount of money that you have to spend on building this, in a lot of cases, is going to be a lot cheaper. But at the same time, this is something that you can get in every day and enjoy going to work, I don't know, business trips, long trips, or just having fun being on the road with your family. This is something that you can use every day without having a headache from wind, from some noise from the wheels or suspension or anything like that. This is something that's going to give you a decent amount of power. It will get you anywhere you want, and it will give you actually very low amount of problems getting parts, because this is a modern car and any mechanic can basically repair it if you need to. So here at A1 Automotive in Montverde, New York, we're going to be doing this project. We are going to film all the details about this project, every step by step, from taking this car apart and assembling it together with the new body to the final stage of the car coming out of that paint booth right there and into the street. So subscribe, enjoy, like us, and follow us.